The second type of frequency spread spectrum is frequency hopping spread spectrum. Here the signal is broadcast over seemingly random sequence of radio frequencies. In this, a number of channels allocated for the frequency hopping spread spectrum signal. The width of each channel corresponds to bandwidth of input signal. Signal hops from frequency to frequency at fixed intervals. The transmitter is operated in one channel at a time. Bits are transmitted using some encoding schemes. At each successive interval, a new carrier frequency is selected. For the new carrier frequency selected, our data transmitted through the new carrier frequency selected here using frequency hopping spread spectrum. In this, the channel sequence dictated by spreading code. The receiver at the receiver side, the despread of the sequence is used by generating a locally generated PN sequence, which is transmitted at the transmitter side, at the spreaded at the transmitter side. The advantages of frequency hopping spread spectrum is the anti-jamming capability. Suppose a person attempts to jam signal on one frequency, he will be succeeded only at knocking out a few bits. The anti-jamming capability of this frequency hop spread spectrum is the most important advantage. In this, at a modulator, at the transmitter side, minimum frequency shift keying modulator is used. The MFSK signal is translated to a new frequency at every TC seconds by modulating the MFSK signal with the frequency hopping spread spectrum carrier signal. For data rate of R, the duration of a bit at a time t equal to 1 by r seconds, and the duration of signal element at ts equal to lt seconds. Here, the Tc is greater than or equal to Ts means slow frequency hopping spread spectrum occurs. Suppose if Ts is greater than Tc, the fast frequency hopping spread spectrum is occurs. The slow frequency hopping spread spectrum and fast frequency hopping spread spectrum are the two types of frequency hopping spread spectrums. The graph shows the fast frequency hopping and the slow frequency hopping spread spectrum. The Tc greater than or equal to Ts represents slow frequency hopping spread spectrum, and Tc smaller than Ts represents fast frequency hopping spread spectrum. The performance considerations for a frequency hopping spread spectrum is larger number of frequencies is used in this FHSS type, results in a system that is quite resistant to jamming. Jammer must jam all frequencies. With fixed power, this reduces the jamming power in any one of the band. In next class, we are going to see about how to generate a PN sequence. So till now we are seen about what is spread spectrum and direct sequence spread spectrum, then frequency hopping spread spectrum. Thank you.